used to be being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where the ghosts sit loud. The sin's like a bird in a chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up, throw your hands up.
Hey my beauties, it is Cece, your frugal goddess. I am coming to you today with some makeup products for chocolate divas. Yes, y'all, I've been trying to get this video done for over a week, okay? Two of the products I bought, one of them I received actually to review. And when I tell you, I was interested in the product because I saw one shade in the concealers. I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. And I was like, I need that in my life. Okay. So anyway, and I did not think it was going to actually work for me because, you know, when you see stuff on camera or whatever, then you get something totally different, or the shade is not as dark as it appears. Okay. I don't have anything on right now but some powder, my lipstick, my eyebrows. So, but anyway, then I'm going to show you the first product, which is a product I was sent to review. I received it from Epic Shea, and that's our girl, Epic Shea, and I will include her link to her YouTube channel and Facebook down below. These are BB cream concealers from, is my hair sticking up, y'all? Lord have mercy. I just came in the door. From So You Beauty, and you can get them off of Go Beauty New York, and I will include those links down below also. But ladies, I'm going to start with the darkest color because I am so impressed. I am like just so geeked about this. So I'm going to take the glasses off, okay, so I can read, and y'all ain't got to see me looking all over my glasses. So again, it is a BB cream concealer, and it says long-lasting all-in-one cover solution, extreme cover corrector, light up BB. So, and it's from So You Beauty. Now, this one is in a 06 dark brown. Okay, so we're going to use this right now. That's what we're going to do because I'm going to do another video behind this, which is a wig review. And I need to be right, y'all. So, if I could find my brush, why can't I find no brushes, y'all? Okay, here's one. This will work. So, this is not the right brush. Y'all, let me say this disclaimer. I'm not good at contouring because I never get a chance to, because I never have anything. Now, y'all know I'm really dark, okay? I am naturally dark-skinned, and then I moved here to New Mexico and have been literally burnt up by the sun. So, I'm extra dark, okay? So, I hope y'all can see the contrast of this BB cream against my skin tone. Okay, that is like unheard of in my world, in my chocolate world. It is unheard of to actually find a concealer or anything that is dark enough for me to contrast. It does not happen. Okay, for y'all other dark-skinned sisters, y'all know this does not happen. We don't find this. Okay, so we're gonna do a little contour here, which my cheekbones really are naturally high, but, you know, I'm going to go ahead on and do it just because I can. I can actually contour, y'all. Clean that off. And then I'm just going to go around here. Hold up, y'all, because I got to do a wig review after this. Hold up 1 minute. Okay, y'all. Y'all done seen me in my bonnet before. You know, we cool. It ain't like we out on no first date or nothing like that. Y'all know the business, okay? So, I wanted to come around here and y'all, again, I am not good at contouring. If you have some tips or anything for me, please include them in the beauty bar. This is not my forte because I never get a chance to do it. Okay, so again, this is me contouring. I'm going to finish this up, y'all, but I just wanted y'all to see that for us chocolate sisters, this is the bomb.com. If you have not been on Go Beauty New York, Go Beauty NY, www.gobeautyny.com. You need to go on there. If nothing else, even if you don't go to get you a wig, you need to go on there and get you some of this BB cream, okay? If you are chocolate. Now, if you light-skinned, go get you a wig. Because I love that wig. So, again, this is the, so I'm going to do the rest of the video with this contour like this. This is dark brown, and this is the color of it, okay? The next color, I want to say it's orange brown, okay? And we're going to use a little bit of this too, okay? And this is a pretty brown color. This is the color right here. Where's my hand at? Right there. Underneath that is the dark brown. This is the orange brown right here. And I'm going to set that there. Now, let me get my other brush, y'all. Okay. Y'all know I got 11 brushes. And it seems like I can't find not one brush. So, we're going to do this a little bit here. And that's too dark for that, but it is just right for this. So we're going to go over the eyebrow with this. And this is like really close to my complexion, is an orange brown. As you can see, once I blend this, it's going to be really nice. And I'll go back with another color and highlight. So this is the orange brown that's right there that looks almost like my complexion. Okay. Now, let me see. These two are very similar in color. So, I'm not sure which is which. Okay. Oh, no wonder they're similar in color. These are both the same color, which is natural brown. Now, we're going to use this natural brown. 1 minute, y'all. I should have had these brushes out before I started this video. But, y'all know your girl. So, this is natural brown. And I'm going to actually go underneath my eyebrow again with this. Just a little highlight. Okay. And we are also going to use these to make up, and I'm going to go down my nose. We're going to use these to make up my daughter's friend also. So this is the natural brown right there. And this is not meant to be a makeup tutorial or anything because, like I said, this makeup, you know, I don't wear makeup like that. But when I do like the options that everybody else has. And that is to contour and highlight. And highlighting is not hard, but contouring, ooh wee, y'all. I have such a hard time with the contouring. I'm going to redo my brows after I get off camera because I know I'm not going to be able to see to do it on camera. If you have any makeup tips for me, please put them in the beauty bar down below. Because like I said, I don't get a chance to contour. I can highlight, but you know, there's nothing like a nice contour. So this is natural brown right there. The other two colors, I'm just going to swatch for you. I'm not going to put them on because, well, yes, I am. One of them I am. This one, oh, goodness. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry about that. That was my pastor, y'all. I had to give my blessing, you know. I allows my spirit to be blessed any and every chance I can get it. So the last two we have here, this one is dark beige. And I'm going to use this. I'm going to put this over my eyes. Okay, this is the natural brown. That's this one right here. That's a highlight shade for me. Okay. And then, what do I do with that? Because get a little bit more of this on my nose. My nose a little dark. Okay. Okay. And as you see how the color is oxidizing, and you can really see it's looking really good. Okay, so with the dark beige, I'm going to do my eyelids. Okay. So now I've done my eyelids with the dark beige. And there you have it. That's that. Now I'm going to tell you, I'm going to paint this canvas, y'all, before I do my wig review. Now the last color we have is natural beige. And that's this color. Okay. Oh. Y'all, I dropped some. I got my drop in for y'all. Y'all know I got to drop something every video. And I'm going to tell you what we're going to do with this one. What did I do with that one brush? Okay. Here we go. With this one, this natural beige, we're going to come right here and do a little highlight. So when I paint this canvas, y'all, it's going to be right and tight. That corner highlight right there. Okay. And then come right here like this. And when I paint it, y'all will figure it out. Y'all will see. So make sure you come back tomorrow and watch my wig review so you can see my painted canvas. But I will post a picture right here of me with my full face on. And these are all the colors. This is the, let me get them right. I don't want to tell y'all the wrong colors. This is dark brown, which it is truly a dark brown. The one up above it, which is very similar to my own skin tone, is orange brown. You can barely see it because it's oxidized into my skin tone. The next one is natural brown, I think. No, no, that's not the next one. This is it. No, it's not. Here it is. It's natural brown. Natural brown. And then we have dark beige and beige. So those are all the colors. And as you can see, because y'all, I was on the phone for about a good 30 minutes. Okay, so these colors have, these at the bottom have oxidized. And this on my nose has oxidized. And these are the colors. It gives you a subtle color. It absorbs really good. It oxidizes into your skin tone. And y'all, we can paint, dark-skinned sisters, we can paint these canvases. The other product I have for you guys, now I'm going to show you the price on here. Yes, I'm going to sit on here looking like this, okay? But I'm going to show you the price on here. It's $1. Yes, $1. And I actually got this from Walmart. It's Skin Perfect HD, and it's by Koki Professionals. And so this is a foundation. It's a high-def foundation. And yes, we are going to throw this over some of this highlight, just a little bit. And I'm going to let you see it. Let me see if I can get the color. The color is 120C, which is 120. And then C is for cool. Okay. And it has one of these sticks on it. And so I'm going to get my brush and slap this together, y'all. This is not the brush I want. Where's my brush, y'all? Let me see that. Here go my brushes over here. Y'all, I am left-handed, so sometimes I have brushes everywhere because I have to, they coincide with the way I move my hands. Okay, so we're going to take this and blend this in like this. No, y'all like, well, Cece, why you put the all the stuff on if you're going to go over with the foundation? Because the foundation is not a if you can see, it kind of gives me a subtle contour because I can still see my contour, and I will go over it with the highlight again, okay? So this is this foundation. Y'all, I got 2 of these. I should have actually got 3 or 4 of them. This is one of the best foundations I have ever used, okay? And I do not know where to get this from. It says it's made in Italy. So I am going to Google this and actually see where it can be bought at. If it can be bought online, I will Google it. If I find out some information, I will put it in the beauty bar down below. If I don't have the information down there, y'all, please remind me because I have so much going on. I really do. This is bomb.com. Last but not least, for my chocolate girls, my chocolate divas, I found this. I saw this on a couple of people's videos. I saw a couple of videos on it. Wait 1 minute, y'all. Okay, I'm sorry about that, y'all. Last but not least, the last thing I have to show you is this Salon Perfection. Okay, let me get it right. Salon Perfect On Point Tri-Point Brow Marker. This is it right here. Okay, I went on here and filled in my brows, the ends of my brows again, because I had done them, but you know, I smeared them. This is in a color dark brown. Now, I'm going to tell you, I have multiple dark brown pencils and whatnot. And I'm going to be perfectly honest with y'all, dark brown don't do it for me. It just blends in with my complexion. This is truly a dark brown. Okay, that's dark brown. When it dries and what have you, because I just did it, so I'm not gonna smear my eyebrows. When it dries and I put a little powder on top of it, or my that lip stuff, I will annotate a picture of it right there. My brows do not move for the whole day. So these are 3 products. Especially the So You Beauty. The So You Beauty BB Cream for my chocolate sisters. If y'all don't get on www.gobeautyny.com and go get some of that BB cream, ooh wee. When I tell you I have 5 colors. It's actually 6 colors, and I got sent 2 of the same by mistake. But that's fine. That's fine with me. Okay, I don't have a problem with it. It's 6 colors, and ladies, especially my chocolate divas, my dark chocolate divas, okay? If y'all don't go check that out, I'm gonna know something, because we need those colors. We need those colors. I mean, I'm just so in awe because I actually found a color that I can contour with, and I can contour and put a little makeup over it, and I'm still winning. Hold on, y'all. Okay, I'm sorry about that. So, anywho, as I was saying, these 3 products are definitely made for us chocolate sisters. And you guys, y'all need to check them out. Please, 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 please check them out. So, anywho, I want you to have a beautiful, beautiful, blessed day. Please, please, please remember to tell somebody you love them. Do not wait too late. And always, always remember to be your own kind of beautiful. Later.